In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Etsy shop's customer service stats. First, head to Etsy's homepage in your browser. At the top, open Shop Manager. This is your seller hub where you handle listings, orders, and performance. Once you're in Shop Manager, look for customer service stats in the navigation. Click that to open the dashboard dedicated to how you're serving buyers. At the top of this page, you'll see Track Your Daily Progress. Think of this as your snapshot for how you're doing right now. It aggregates key service metrics so you can quickly see what's on track and what needs attention. If you're working toward badges or improving buyer trust, this is the place to monitor regularly. Next, review your message response rate. Etsy calculates how often you reply to initial buyer messages within the expected window, typically within 24 hours. A strong response rate signals reliability and can impact buyer confidence. Tip: set up device notifications, create short saved replies for common questions, and reply with a quick acknowledgement if you need more time to research and answer. Fast, friendly responses go a long way. Move down to on-time shipping and tracking. This measures whether you dispatch orders by the ship by date and include tracking when appropriate. Mark orders as dispatched on time and add tracking as soon as you have it. If you run into delays, update the buyer early. Proactive communication can prevent issues and keeps your metrics healthier. Consider setting realistic processing times and using shipping profiles to stay consistent. Now check your average review rating. This shows the average star rating customers give your shop. Reviews reflect product quality, accurate descriptions, and the overall delivery experience. Maintain clear photos and listings, pack carefully, and follow up with a polite, non-incentivized note thanking buyers for their support. If you receive a less than great review, respond professionally and address the concern. Future shoppers notice how you handle feedback. Finally, look at your case rate. This indicates how often orders result in a case being opened. Lower is better. To keep this low, communicate early about delays, resolve issues quickly through messages, and provide clear return or exchange information. Preventing problems is always easier than fixing them. That's the full tour. Visit this customer service stats page regularly, especially after busy periods, so you can spot trends and take action right away. Small, consistent improvements in response time, shipping, and communication will steadily boost these numbers and your customers' experience. Thanks for watching, and keep up the great work on your shop.